What is the largest city in Venezuela by population? Maracaibo, Valencia, Caracas, Barquisimeto. The correct answer is Caracas. A prime number is a whole number greater than 1 that can only be divided by 1 and itself without remainders. What is the prime number after 73? 79, 81, 83, 85. The correct answer is 79. London by the Sea is the nickname for which English city? Brighton, London, Birmingham, Liverpool. The correct answer is Brighton. Jiu-jitsu, a martial art, originated in which country? Japan, South Korea, North Korea, China. The correct answer is Japan. What is a group of hippopotamuses called? A bloat, a rumba, a parliament, a dropping. The correct answer is a bloat. Which river is the longest in Asia? Mekong, Ganges, Yangtze, Yellow River. The correct answer is Yangtze. Which country is Guantanamo Bay located in? United States, Cuba, Panama, Jamaica. The correct answer is Cuba. Which painting depicts the bombing of the Spanish town of Guernica during the Spanish Civil War? The Starry Night, The Persistence of Memory, The Last Supper, Guernica. The correct answer is Guernica. What art technique uses small colored pieces of glass or stone to form pictures? Fresco, mosaic, etching, calligraphy. The correct answer is mosaic. Which of the following is the capital city of Yemen? Harare, Lusaka, Sana'a, Hanoi. The correct answer is Sana'a. What is the title of the autobiography written by musician Bruce Dickinson? What does this button do? Then again. Rock this. The Things I Love. The correct answer is, what does this button do? What calendar system is most widely used around the world today? Lunar calendar, Julian calendar, Gregorian calendar, Hebrew calendar. The correct answer is Gregorian calendar. Which animal is known for having the longest migration? Monarch butterfly, humpback whale, Arctic tern, wildebeest. The correct answer is Arctic tern. What is measured in decibels, dB? Temperature, sound intensity, speed, light brightness. The correct answer is sound intensity. Who composed the famous set of violin concertos known as the Four Seasons? Johann Sebastian Bach, Antonio Vivaldi, Ludwig van Beethoven, Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. The correct answer is Antonio Vivaldi.